Bismuth is a metal with a symbol of Bi. The atomic number of bismuth is 83 and the atomic mass is 208.98 AMU. It has 83 protons, 83 electrons, and 126 neutrons. The density of bismuth is 9.79 grams per centimeters cubed. The melting point is 271.4 degrees Celsius and the boiling point is 1,564 degrees Celsius. It is solid in its normal phase and is classified as a metal. Bismuth belongs to the nitrogen family. Bismuth gets its name from the German word Bismuth, meaning white mass, and the Latin word bismutum. Bismuth is found as a pure metal and combined with other elements in Earth's crust. Bismuth is typically gotten as a byproduct in refining gold, lead, and tin ores. People have known about bismuth as early as the 1400s, but most of the time it was confused with lead. Bismuth was alloyed with tin by the Incas to create bismuth bronze to make knives. Claude François Giroflée was the first to prove that lead and bismuth were distinct from each other in 1753. Bismuth has one natural isotope, which is Bi-209, but bismuth has a total of 33 isotopes. Until 2003, Bi-209 was considered the heaviest isotope that had a stable nucleus. However, researchers in Orsay, France found that bismuth decays into thallium, so it no longer considers the heavy stable isotope, although scientists still treat Bi-209 as it is stable. Bismuth is also found in many products used at home. Bismuth subsalicylate is used for stomach aches and is sold under brands such as Pepto-Bismol and Bismuth Maximum Strength to decrease the flow of fluids and electrolytes into the bowel and reduce inflammation within the intestine. Bismuth oxychloride is used in cosmetics, mainly powders, to give a pearly shine to your face. Bismuth is the most diamagnetic compared to other metals, so it resists being magnetized and is repelled by a magnetic field. If you put a magnet between two pieces of bismuth, the magnet will levitate. Bismuth has a very low thermal conductivity, and only mercury has a lower thermal conductivity. Its toxicity is lower than most elements, and bismuth compounds may be safer than table salt. It is twice as abundant as gold in the Earth's crust, and it is stable in oxygen and water and dissolves in concentrated nitric acid. Bismuth also has the unique property that it expands when it freezes. As I previously mentioned, bismuth has a melting point of 271.4 degrees Celsius, so I'm going to attempt to melt my element. This is not pure bismuth. This is 99.99% pure. At this point, I am scraping the top off because I'm getting rid of the impurities that were in the 99.99% pure bismuth. This is the finished product. Again, I am trying to melt another piece of bismuth as the first attempt to make bismuth crystals did not work.